Fighting for the government employment. Also is unmarried.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
ಅಲ್ಲ he has not assaulted my lords. MA B.Ed, my lord, is an
MA B.Ed ಆದ್ರೆ ಆ ತರ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
not committed any offense.
That we'll see. Yes.
He has been
Implicated. Let the complainant come. Who is the complainant?
Complainant is the CW1, my lord, who is a PC. Police constable, my lords.
State ಏನ?
Complainant is a police constable, my lords.
Learned HC ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ನೋಟಿಸ್?
Notice ಆಗಿದೆ.
For the respondents. Yes sir.
Yes, my lord. Kindly.
MA PhD ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಲ್ಲ.
He has not committed any such offense, my lords. He assaulted. He is not any habitual offender, my lords.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಲ್ಗೆ ಸರ್.
He is
ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ವೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ.
my lords. He has not committed any offense.
No.
Not implicated, my lords. In 353, my lords. So assaulting on the police officials is very unbelievable, my lords. Because they are not the rowdy elements or committed any offense. They are involving any offenses. Moreover, my lords, the allegation is against accused number 1. Please see, my lords. Incident, as per the allegations, my lord, incidents were taken on 21 midnight to 2:50. Kindly see, the arrest has been shown on 22/1/2000.
That's all right.
1 p.m.
All right.
Morning. Afternoon 1 p.m. on 22/1/2023, he has been arrested. Though the allegation shows that he has been taken at the spot.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ.
Yes, my lord. But ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಮೇಲೆ.
Section 149 invoked, my lord. CW 3 and 8 are the eyewitnesses, my lord.
ಯಾರದು? ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್.
Yes, my lord. One CW 3 is former independent eyewitness. CW 3 Yatis, one Yatis, my lord. Page number 49, my lord.
Returnable by 23rd. Yes, next. ಅವತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ 23rd ಅಲ್ಲ, ರಿಟರ್ನಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಾರಿ, ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆನ್ 19th November in the fresh matters list. Yes, next. ಇರ್ಲಿ ಪರಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಬೇಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
But he is fighting for the government employment. Also is unmarried.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
ಅಲ್ಲ he has not assaulted, my lords. 353 has been falsely implicated.
Married people assault ಅಂತ.
No, not like that. Police or what? Because if he is not a rowdy element, also he is not.
List on 19th.
Number 5.
Yeah. Complaint. Page number 27. Why? Because, please, my lord, my mother purchased in the year 1992 to an extent of 2 acres from Javaranayaka. My lord, they filed an appeal before the assistant commissioner after the lapse of 32 years, and the case is pending before the assistant commissioner. My lord, page 27. May I read, please, my lord? Why? Because in the FIR they state something. 161 statement they say something.
Complaint ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
My lord, complaint is at typed copy, page 26. From 27, may I read, my lord? ದಿನಾಂಕ, my lord, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3ನೇ ಲೈನ್. ದಿನಾಂಕ 15/6/2024 ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಸುಮಾರು 9 ಗಂಟೆ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು, ನನ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡಪ್ಪ ಎಳುವಯ್ಯ, ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ರಮೇಶನ ಮಗನಾದ ರಾಮಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಮೀನಿನ ಹತ್ತಿರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಎಂದು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದರು. ಆಗ ಶಿವಲಿಂಗಯ್ಯವರ ಇಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದ 4 ಜನರು ಇದ್ದರು. ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಲೆವೆಂಟ್. ರೇಷ್ಮೆ ತೋಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊಪ್ಪನ್ನು ಕುಯ್ಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಆಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಫೋನಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆವು. ಆಗ ಇಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಕುಯ್ಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಹುಡುಗರು ಶಿವಲಿಂಗಯ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಶಂಭುಲಿಂಗಯ್ಯ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರೇಷ್ಮೆ ತೋಟದ ಹತ್ತಿರಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಸಿಕೊಂಡರು. ಆಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ ಬೋರಯ್ಯ ಮಗನ ಶಂಭುಲಿಂಗಯ್ಯ, ಆತನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ, so and so persons, please, my lord. My lord, again in the last line, ಇಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವ 7-8 ಮಂದಿ. In the first context, he refers only 4 members. In the second context, please, my lord, he refers 7 to 8 members. ಜನರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ನಾವು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಿತ್ತುಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಕುರಿತು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು so and so, please, so and so ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೊಡೆದರು. ಮಿಲಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಿಲಾಟ್ only with respect to the atrocity are concerned, please, ಮಿಲಾಟ್ only one word they would say, caste name. And last ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹುಲಿಯೂರು ದುರ್ಗ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಪಡೆದಿರುತ್ತೇವೆ. This is one. ಮಿಲಾಟ್ 161 statement. of the complainant.
Hmm.
Page 56. Let's say from second para. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಫಿರ್ಯಾದಿ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡುವ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಈ ದಿನ ತಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಾಜರಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಮರು ಹೇಳಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮೂರಿನ ಒಕ್ಕಲಿಗ ಜನಾಂಗದ ಸೋರವರಿಗೆ ಜಮೀನಿನ ವಿಚಾರವಾಗಿ ವಿವಾದವಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮಿಲರ್. ದಿನಾಂಕ 15/6 ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 9 ಗಂಟೆ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ ರೇಷ್ಮೆ ಜಮೀನಿನ ಶಿವಲಿಂಗ ಇಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಸೋ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮಿಲರ್. ಆ ದಿನ ಮಿಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 3ನೇ ಲೈನಿಂದ ಆ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡಪ್ಪ ಎಳುವಯ್ಯ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ರಮೇಶ್ ಮಗನಾದ ರಮೇಶ್
Where is the proceeding instituted by them?
Milord, at page number 98, appeal memo, they admit in the prayer itself that we are in the possession. They sought for restoration of the land also. Page 98. Page 98 of the appeal memo. I'm sorry, petition, please. Pratane, prayer at 100.
$1992 is the sale, is it?
1992 is the sale. But kindly ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
Wound certificate ಇದೆಯಾ?
wound certificate ಇದೆ. ನಾನು which I would like to point out, please, my lord, the wound certificate
Page.
also.
88.
Page 86. Well, kindly refer this one, please, my lord. My patient was not given consent to examine, hence referred for higher treatment. Later comes the injuries, please, my lord. When the patient, please, my lord, he refuses for the examination. My lord, the doctor cannot give. My lord, if I'm not wrong, please, my lord, he cannot, when the patient himself has refused for a examination. My lord, how can he give these particular injuries?
Will only stay the atrocity offenses.
My lord, in as far as 323 and 324 are concerned, please, my lord,
Let me see, we'll hear the complaint.
I have only one video ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ how they do in the my lord, locality.
That's
Why?
all right.
Because very relevant, please, my lord.
It's all
They
right.
themselves will fall. ಅವರೇ ಬಿದ್ದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ.
I have a video, please, my lord, and ಸೊಪ್ಪನ್ನು ಬಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸೊಪ್ಪನ್ನು ಕಟಾವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. I have a video.
Wait, yes. Heard the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. The petitioner is before this court, calling in question, petitioners are before this court, calling in question proceedings in special case number 511 of 2024, registered for the following offenses priorly, madam. The police, after investigation, have filed a charge sheet. The facts narrated in the petition are indicative of the fact that the petitioners purchase the property from Javaraya in the year 1992, to which the respondent complainant has also a claim, and have registered a case before the Assistant Commissioner invoking the provisions of the Prevention of Transfer of Certain Lands Act 1978 before the so-and-so. The said proceeding is pending. The prayer that is sought is restoration of land, which would ostensibly mean that the respondents are not in possession of the property, albeit prima facie. Next para. The Atrocities Act that has emerged, the provisions of the Atrocities Act insofar as it concerns 31C and 31S or 325A would not get attracted in the case at hand on a perusal at the complaint or the summary of the charge sheet. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of all proceedings qua the Atrocities Act. Insofar as the other offenses are concerned, the complainants have been allegedly assaulted, and there are wound certificates appended to the charge sheet. The wound certificates would indicate certain injuries. The matter would require consideration qua the other offenses, i.e., the offenses under section 323 and 324 inter alia of the IPC. The same, the stalling of the proceedings qua the offenses under the IPC would be considered on the next date of hearing. the respondent has appeared in person and seeks 2 weeks' time to engage the service of a counsel. List the matter on 20th. List the matter on 20th. Yes,
My lord, may I-
list the matter on
what-
20th.
Submission, please, my lord. On the day of incident, third petitioner, he being a student, please, my lord, he had attended a physical lab internal test. I have applied.
ಆಯ್ತು, next date.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, let the-
Atrocities.
my lord, one submit. Let the HCGP secure instruction. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು RTL ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
Why? Because there is-
Other end, last ಅಲ್ಲಿ madam, the learned HCGP is directed to secure the entire records that are not appended to the charge sheet, that are not produced in the petition by the next date of
ಅಲ್ಲ,
hearing.
in charge sheet it is not. my lord. What has happened? He is a student in Nrupatunga
That ಇಲ್ದೇ ಇರೋದು
University.
ಅವರಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತರ್ತಾರೆ.
Allah,
Yes.
my lord, this particular factor, my lord, why I am pressing is that, please, my lord. He was not present on the date of incident. He was attending a physical lab internal test in Bangalore. That is my submission.
Let's see. ಅದು ನೀವು
ನಾನು
ನೀವು
RTL
produce-
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅವ್ರು
ನೀವು
RTL ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
ನೀವು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Yes.
14 to
ಏನ್
have
documents
applied-
ಇದ್ರೆ get the documents.
Madam,
Next.
20th fresh
20th.
matters, if I may.
Why
request.
no, sir? Admission, yes. Please. List on 20th in admissions.